Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a screw in my tire and it's been there for a few weeks now. It actually had a head on it, but it's melted away because I've been driving on it. It hasn't lost any air because it's actually blocking the hole, but I'm gonna try and fix this now. I've already lifted the car up and I got this from eBay for like $8. This is the tool to fix the tire. It's the cheapest way to fix it. So I'm gonna first try and remove this screw from there, which is kind of deep, but we'll see how we go. So once I remove it, the tire's gonna lose air. Okay, this will be the tool I'm gonna be using. All the air is out. This is the nail screw. I say we're gonna start with this tool first. Just gonna put it in and out a few times just to clear the area up a bit. Next, they want me to coat the needle with this cement to lubricate the area. I just put some of this on the needle and just on the hole itself, and we slide it in and out. Next, we're gonna use one of these repair strings and put it halfway through the needle and push it in the hole. Right, so these are very sticky. Just gonna try and remove it from here and then somehow put it inside the needle like this. It will open up. That's good. It's kind of opened up too much now, so we're gonna close it a bit from the top. And here we go, we're gonna put this in the hole. I'm gonna put it in 2/3 of the way. Second. Right, I had to use both my hands to push it in. Now we just pull this out, hopefully without it. Oh, great. Okay, I'm gonna use another tool to pull it out. Okay, and that's done. So now all we have to do is cut just the extra bit. It's a good idea to have one of these in your car, just in case you need it one day. It's a lot cheaper than getting your tire fixed by a shop. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.